Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. After watching Hardware Lane, have a meal at Khao restaurant. Savor Thai food that will combine many elements of culinary traditions. Being at this restaurant, eat good fried chicken, curry broth, and chicken and rice. Food experts note that mango sticky rice is tasty here. Milk tea lovers will find it delicious. At Khao restaurant, you can order dishes as a takeaway. A number of guests find the staff efficient. The enjoyable service is something these restaurateurs care about. From the visitor's point of view, prices are reasonable. You will definitely appreciate the pretty atmosphere. Khao restaurant in Melbourne's Museum neighborhood offers a delightful Thai dining experience. The menu features a variety of Thai classics, including mains like the original and the fried chicken, and curries such as green curry and chicken noodle soup. Popular dishes among patrons include the original, the combo, the fried chicken, and the Melbourneian. For dessert, options like mango sticky rice and coconut ice cream are available. Please like, share, and subscribe. Khao restaurant in Melbourne offers a delightful experience for Thai food enthusiasts. Reviewers praise the fragrant rice, tender chicken, and tasty sauce that make their signature dish exceptional. The Thai iced tea is highlighted as a refreshing and not overly sweet beverage option. Customers appreciate the fresh and flavorful food, with some recommending the fried chicken over the original one. The cozy atmosphere, efficient service, and friendly staff add to the overall positive dining experience at Khao restaurant. Thank you for watching.